The sea, mysterious and full of life. For many, it's more than a view, it's a livelihood. From fishing and seaweed gathering, people build their days around its tides. But as the ocean changes, so do the lives that depend on it. Come with us as we explore the lives shaped by the sea.
We went to Toril, Canjulao, a coastal area in Lapul-Lapu City. Locals dried the seaweed under the sun, while fishermen collected their catch and harvest from the water. We saw signs of pollution, but also thriving mangroves, tiny crabs, and schools of fish. We spoke with some of the locals to learn about their work, their struggles, and their connection to the sea.
Afternoon, pwede may maka-interview rin na?
Mag-video ra ba miti?
Mag-video rin, okay ra?
Baka mga basura to, mga sa pangalan mga aroma. Ya sukad na nanay lumot. Limpyo na karon.
Ya, naman po kasagaran mag-coastal clean up ari atin no.
Oh,
Unsay kasagaran panginabuhian diri?
lumot nya. Ang mga kuan pod panagat. Napoy mga nasura po dire.
Kaning lumot kay mao maning kanang sa Korean
Daghan mga product.
Ari na siya gikan di ay ila po ni siya ka days ibuwad sa init eh.
Di ba ni abte kami adlaw. Oras ani.
Ay,
Basta init ka tanan, 4 kundi 5.
ang kaning trabaho ate kay dili jud siya ingon nga taga-adlaw.
Taga-adlaw ni na. Sila tigtimbang.
Pila sa dyan kitaan ito?
Magdepende po kung init ka tanan. Na libo ka pen. Depende po sa pwesto day. Kung gamay mo kuha, may 500.
So if rainy season kay gamay jud mo kuwas.
Magdepende kung uwa kontra na mo uwan ra jud day. Basta init kista na mo ni. Daghan mo matimbang.
Pila na mo katuig ani po ni?
Tulo na ka kapen.
Ano yung panginabuhian there? Nasa mga
Napoy ka ng manok.
ano?
Oo. Tagagabi, sama na, unas na. Tagagabi, napoy, manguha. Sari-sari, dire day. Dagan kakortahan, dire da pista.
Ice cream.
Basta magkugi lang ka.
Ice cream.
Kung may sila, kuyog na sila.
We heard real stories. How the fish are not as plenty, how trash sometimes floats in with the tide, and how some locals still do their part, picking up garbage, teaching kids not to litter, and fishing only what's needed. In Toril, it's quiet, it's raw, but it matters. The locals live in sync with the sea, and we realized it's not about being grand, it's about being grounded.
Here, people live simply, but they thrive, sustained by the rhythm of the tides and the work of their hands. But with that life comes responsibility to protect the waters, the people, and the future they share. As the tides rise and fall, their stories continue, quiet, resilient, and deeply tied to the sea. The ocean gives us a life. It's time we give something back.